Last week, we dove into what customers look for in a metal building, and the feedback was incredible, especially regarding price. However, there's a big difference we need to point out: being competitively priced and being cheaply built. When you see a massive discount, your first question shouldn't be, how much am I saving? It should be, what's the catch? If a deal looks too good to be true, it usually is. Deep discounts often hide the big 4 red flags: lower grade materials, shortcuts, long lead times, and lower safety standards. However, there's another downside that most people don't see until it's too late: the negative impact on our experienced installers. So think about it. These crews are the last people our customers see. They don't just slap tubing together. They level the site, anchor the frame, and ensure every component is aligned exactly as engineered. In this industry, many installers are paid a percentage of the building's price. So when a company slashes prices to get that sale, the installer's paycheck often gets slashed as well. Does this sound like a recipe for a quality build? I think not. At Eagle, we refuse to compromise. We compensate our crews well because we want the best professionals on your job site, focused, prepared, and proud of their work. So the next time you see a bargain structure, don't just ask, what am I saving? Ask yourself, what are you giving up? A real investment is built to last, and that starts with the people who build it. At Eagle, quality matters, and our installers do too.